Real Easy Kitchen, and we are going to make incidental pasta. So, we got our water going. Look at the water. Here we go. Water, pasta. Now, we're going to blanch this in a little bit of water. How am I going to do that? This is Endive, curly Endive, not the other one that looks like a little bowl. So when I drain the pasta, I have a yogurt container that I had earlier. It's really good yogurt. It doesn't have any stabilizers except for a protein, which makes it all protein. That's good. You can actually digest it. So I'm going to take some of my curly Endive, and when I drain the pasta, I'm going to drain it into this that has some, actually it has a little bit of yogurt left in it. So I'll have a little bit of extra taste. And I'm going to pour that water back in and use that to blanch just a little bit the Endive. So we're going to clean out that without having to put a lot of work into it. All that, I don't know, do they still make you wash your dishes before you put them into the dishwasher? If you want to clean, or if you want to actually eat or cook. Okay, enough going off on dishwashers. And say goodbye, dishwasher. Thank you. Bye-bye.